Stop downloading your videos with a bunch of watermarks, videos from TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or whatever. Here's how to get your videos without the watermark. I'm going to show you step by step what you have to do, and I'll show you what it looks like when you download it regular. So let's say I wanted to grab a video from TikTok, right? This is my TikTok channel, and I want to download this video. So what you would do, if you're using a computer, you're going to go ahead and download. So while that's downloading, now, what I'm going to do second is show what it would look like once it's inside of my drive. I'm going to put this over to my drive real quick. That way I can upload it to the website. And the purpose for not having videos with the watermark, because a lot of these platforms, when they recognize that the video has a watermark, it doesn't get as much reach, as much interaction that it would if you had the video by itself, like the organic video. And if you're like me, you do most of your captions while you're on social media. So we're looking at the video now real quick, and you see how it has the watermark for TikTok all over it. We want to avoid that. And not only does it do that, but it pops the watermark everywhere. So how do we actually avoid that? What you have to do is going to click the link below that says publer.io. So Publer, you could gather the link. So let's go back to TikTok. We're going to copy the TikTok link real quick. Now we're going to go over to Publer, put the TikTok link in here, hit download, give it a few seconds. It doesn't take too long to get the video. And what it's doing is that it's no ads, no watermark, and you don't even have to register for this platform. If you really, really love it, I would definitely recommend you buying a coffee for the team behind this platform. It's been so clutch for me to use this platform. Again, it takes a couple seconds and it can be a little tedious. I have a VA that I work with that has done hundreds of videos, literally downloaded hundreds of videos for me, and her rate is very affordable. It's less than $10 an hour. So DM me or send me an email, collab@Georgie-Ann, and I can make an introduction to you, to her team. So we're going to have this load. Now we have the video, and you could just hit save to your device. It's going to download the video. So now let's go back and upload it into the same folder that we just uploaded the first download that came directly from TikTok. So now this is the video that came from Publer. And once that uploads, I'm going to show you it and show you that it has no watermarks on this video whatsoever. All right, now that the video is up, let's take a look. All right, here we go. Same exact video, no watermark whatsoever. And this works the same no matter if you use an Instagram video or you're using a video from TikTok or a video from Facebook, it's going to work. So especially now with all of the transitions happening with these social media, you want to go and get your videos. Now let's take it to the next level. How do we repurpose this content that we just downloaded? Well, one way is by uploading it to your YouTube channel if you have one as YouTube Shorts. I've done this for the past few months, and it's allowed me to schedule shorts up to January 24th. And this is all my content from other platforms without the watermark. So every single day, I'm publishing at least one short on YouTube, and it's getting views, engagements, and interactions. So after you've downloaded your video without the watermark, you want to come into your YouTube studio, go ahead, hit create, upload video. Select the video that you downloaded without the watermark, and then it'll upload as a YouTube short. If the video is in a vertical orientation, as well as it's less than, I believe, 3 minutes now, YouTube Shorts allows you to go up to, it'll automatically process it as a short. You change the title, add your hashtags, and then boom, you're ready to go, and you can schedule that YouTube short to publish for later. There's a video down below that's linked to talk about how to schedule and batch schedule YouTube shorts. So I hope you found this helpful. And as my content creator, fellow community, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if this was super helpful. And I'll be making more content of how to get more done as an entrepreneur, a content creator, and just a person that wants to really tap into and upscale their potential. Bye, y'all. I'll see you in the next video.